Alright, today we're going to bring a vacuum for your pool. Now this one works with your actual water hose, just to make sure that you are aware of how it works. I'm going to show you how. Alright, so there's a couple things you should know, and we're going to put this together and see how it works. So this is part of your water hose. If you guys can see that, you're going to put your system in here. This goes in place in here when it locks in, right? Alright, we're going to get it together here. You guys can see that. So we're going to tie this up. Look how dirty it is. It's all the dirt. Alright, we got this in place here. We'll lock it in. Lock it in completely. Open it up. Whoa! Whoa. Scrub down here. Scrub down here. Alright guys, here it is. Look how much dirt I got out of it. So setting up the water hose is working. Scrub it down. I still need to scrub a little bit more, but it's better than before where I cleaned up a lot. But look at this big sack of dirt in there. Simple to install, simple to use. You need a water hose and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.